Yeah, people are go on. Today we have on the menu some chicken fried rice. Yeah, follow me going in the kitchen. I will show you how it comes down, alright? Yeah, first and foremost, I got some chicken breast right here. So I'm washing it with some vinegar water to get it ready for the next process. So the next process is velveting our chicken. So we need 1 large egg white, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And we're gonna whisk it until smooth so we can add our chicken breast. We're gonna mix in our chicken breast and let it sit for half an hour. Ensure that you get it fully incorporated. Let it sit. First, I'm gonna add in just enough olive oil to saute a small white onion. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper to elevate my flavors. Keep stirring because we don't want this to burn hard. Then we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Gonna mix until liquefied. I'm gonna add in 3 cloves of garlic at this stage because burnt garlic gonna make the sauce bitter. Keep stirring. Alright, up next we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of molasses. So you're gonna build the sauce layer by layer. I add in all of my sugar bases first. So I'm gonna go in for tanginess, and for tanginess we're gonna use 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Lovely. Smells so good. And the cook time for this is approximately 5 minutes. And next I'm gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of honey mustard. Up next, I'm gonna put in 1 cup of tomato ketchup. So we're gonna finish this on a medium heat. Stir it until smooth. So I wash my chicken breast a second time. Then I'm gonna fry until golden brown. This chicken is really tender. So I'm gonna do my rice. I'm gonna add the oil, add my rice in. Then I'm gonna add the veg. Then I'm gonna sweet corn. Then I'm gonna add my chicken. I'm gonna mix it. Add my sauce, mix till fully incorporated. So people, you can't tell me how me I go on, you know. Yeah man. You know, just drop a like and drop a comment and follow, you know.